Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this NEC NP-PA622U 6200 Lumen Advanced Professional Installation Projector, then please visit the link provided in the description. This projector is a powerhouse designed for professionals who demand consistent performance in large venues. It isn't just bright. It's engineered for precision, reliability, and flexibility in every installation scenario. The first thing you notice is how solid and well-built it feels. There's a sense of durability without any unnecessary bells or whistles. It's clearly designed to handle high-traffic environments like auditoriums, lecture halls, museums, and corporate boardrooms where visuals need to impress every time. The design is understated, which is perfect because the focus here is purely on performance. Brightness is the headline feature. 6,200 lumens is enough to deliver vivid, crisp images even in rooms with high ambient light. No matter if windows are open or lights are on, content stays legible and visually striking. Pair this with WUXGA native resolution and you get detailed, sharp visuals that make charts, videos, and presentations stand out with clarity. This is the kind of detail you need when you're presenting to large audiences or displaying complex visuals. Color performance is handled by NEC's 3 LCD technology, providing true-to-life colors without the oversaturation or muddy tones seen in lower-end projectors. Whites remain bright, colors remain balanced, and every frame looks professional. Whether it's video content, slides, or intricate graphics, this projector maintains fidelity across the board. Installation flexibility is another standout feature. The NEC NP-PA622U supports interchangeable lenses, allowing you to adapt the projector to any space, short throw, long throw, or wide projection. Motorized lens shift, zoom, and focus make fine adjustments easy, and advanced geometric correction ensures that even irregular surfaces don't distort your image. The setup process becomes smooth, efficient, and precise, which is critical in professional environments. Connectivity options are comprehensive. HDMI and DisplayPort cover standard digital inputs, while HD-Base-T simplifies long-distance wiring, a must for larger venues. Built-in network control tools allow administrators to monitor projector status, adjust settings remotely, and manage multiple units seamlessly. For enterprises, educational institutions, and museums, this capability is invaluable. The projector's internal processing ensures smooth scaling and minimal motion blur, handling both low-resolution and high-resolution content gracefully. Operational noise is low, so presentations are never interrupted by loud fan sounds. Cooling is efficient and keeps the projector running reliably for extended periods without overheating or performance drops. Lamp life is long enough to make this a solid investment for daily, high-demand use. Who is this projector designed for? Large-scale environments where image quality cannot be compromised. Think universities, corporate events, museums, and professional exhibitions. This is not a home theater device. It's a commercial-grade solution built for reliability, flexibility, and precision. Overall, the NEC NP-PA622U combines extreme brightness, professional color accuracy, versatile lens options, and robust connectivity into one package. It's a tool for professionals who need visuals that impress, inform, and deliver consistently. If your goal is to enhance presentations, installations, or exhibitions with clear, powerful projection, this projector is worth exploring. Check the link in the description to get one for your venue or project. Investing in the right projector makes a difference that audiences notice instantly.